some of our brothers, some one of my towns. Okay, Southwest towns. That is the towns. The towns city. Jessica, come to the choir. Sandy, come to the choir. Come to the choir. Open to the choir. Samuel to the choir. Jerry to the choir. Ife to the choir. Maria, Titi.
Picture. Yeah, but I can't. I don't know how to take a picture.
Please. After this Christmas carol, the one you have supposed to be perfect silence. After the Christmas carol, the children they are going to perform ruling factor. I know most of you know what kind factor is. Yes, we are going to have ruling factor. And we have people competing.
Video.
We have a lot of people competing. We have a lot of people competing, and you have the right to vote for whoever you want to vote for. And it's going to cost you 50 cents to vote. The vote is going to go up to 7 euros. If you want to vote, it's going to cost you money. It's not voting for free. Because the winner will take something gold. So we are going to see that Christmas carol now. And after the Christmas carol, they are going to do ruling factor. And we have our host here, our MC, brother Tony Adefule, is going to preside over the X Factor. And they are going to be running our 2010. So for now, we are doing a Christmas carol. But I want to inform you that we are running in the ruling factor. They said, Adeyemi, give a round of applause. People Adeyemi, Dr. Adesoya, Tony Akolalo, Jẹ́jú Akérèlé, Adéọlá Oyèdí, Ayọ̀délé Tìtìláwó, Jessica Adesoya, Angela Afọlábí, Kẹ́mi Akérèlé, Samuel Adéyẹmí, Ọ̀pẹ̀yẹmí Akínsọ̀yà, Ọláolú Oyèdí, Fẹ́mi Sọ́wẹ́mímọ́, Henry Afọlábí, Ayọ̀ Afọlálò, Alájọ Akérèlé. And if you know you want to mother and welcome to perform. If you are mother or a mother, you will need to sing. There is a prize. There is a prize. So, but if you want to vote, it's going to cost you all the way to vote. Thank you very much. There is a session. So, are you ready for your